Stop scrolling. What if I told you that right now, companies are making thousands of dollars a day not with employees, but with AI agents that work 24/7, answer customers, close sales, and even schedule meetings automatically? And here's the crazy part. You can build one yourself for free using Salesforce's new tool called Agentforce 360. Let me show you how it works and how people are already turning it into real money. Introduce Salesforce's launch of Agentforce 360, October 13th, 2025. Global availability, theme of Agentic Enterprise. Salesforce plus one. Explain how AI agents evolve business workflows. Humans plus AI, not just replacing people. Real-world use case, e.g., Williams-Sonoma, Inc., using Agentforce 360 to automate customer service and personalize experiences. Investor.salesforce.com. Show key features. Agentforce Builder, Agent Script, Voice Agents, Data 360 Context Layer. Salesforce. Explain how you could apply this at smaller scale. Create an AI agent for your business, e.g., automate leads, customer replies, or email follow-ups. Step-by-step mini tutorial. Pick a task you want to automate, e.g., lead qualification. Use a prompt to build the agent when a new website visitor fills form. Qualify, send email, schedule call. Deploy agent using low-code interface. Monitor results daily. Explain how automation saves time, reduces cost, enables scaling, even for solopreneurs. Monetization paths. Offer the agent automation service to local businesses. You set up agent for them, recurring fees. Use your agent to generate leads and sales for your own business. Create educational content or templates around Agentforce 360, sell courses. Emphasize mindset. Start small, iterate, reinvest profits. Agentforce 360 is enterprise tech, but the principle behind it can be your advantage today. Build, automate, scale. If you want deeper templates and step-by-step guides, subscribe, leave a comment with your business idea, and hit the like. This is your daily dose of money. Let's automate income together.